In this video, I'm going to show you how to change fonts in Squarespace. To get started, open your website in Squarespace. Once you're on your site, click on the Site Styles icon located at the top right corner of your screen. After clicking, you'll see a section labeled Fonts. Click the arrow next to it to open the font settings. Inside this menu, you can customize different text categories separately, such as headings, paragraphs, and buttons. Select any of these to start adjusting the font settings. You'll be able to change the font family, weight, style, and other related options. As you make changes, you'll notice them reflected in real time on the left side of your screen, which shows a live preview of your website. If you prefer to use preset combinations instead of customizing each text category individually, you can opt for font packs. To do that, scroll back to the top of the fonts section and click on All Font Packs. You'll now see various curated font pairings. Scroll through the options, preview how they look, and once you find a combination that fits your design preferences, click to select it. The font pack you select will automatically be applied to the headings, paragraphs, and buttons on your site. Keep exploring the different options until you find the one that works best for your site's aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save at the top left of your screen to apply and preserve your new font settings. That's how you can change fonts in Squarespace.